Hi everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through how to redeem your Spotify Premium code. Let's get started. So, you might have bought a Spotify Premium gift card from a store or maybe someone gave you one. Either way, let's redeem it so you can start using Spotify Premium. If you can't redeem the code through the Spotify app, you'll need to open a web browser instead. For example, Safari or Chrome. Then here in the search bar, type spotify.com/redeem, then press enter or go. Once the page loads, log into your Spotify account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll see a box where you can enter the PIN from the back of your gift card or enter the code printed on your store receipt. And once you entered your code, click continue and your Spotify Premium will be successfully added to your account. And that's it. You've just redeemed your Spotify Premium code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.